What's up, guys? I'm at Standifer marsh, and right off the bat, guess what I got? Right over there. Oh, look at that. It sucks. But right over there, kind of over in this area, I got a motherfucking kingfisher. Hell yeah. So let me show you. Let me show you how far off I am. Motherfucking kingfisher. Yeah. Lighting is terrible. Very first start. But I'm after those blue-winged teals again, and I just seen like 5 of them come in, so let's go see if we can find them. Peace. Alright, so I got one. I got it. First, I was getting I seen there was an American coot sitting over here, and then I got another American coot. Here it is. Still no blue-winged teal though. Still a good one. Hope that's the same one as here last weekend. Nice. Blue-winged teals keep flying by, but they won't let themselves be seen. I just by chance, way out there, seen something splash, and I got it. A blue-winged teal. Finally. Oh, there's some. Oh yeah. But it was a male just hanging out way out there. And the video I got, I'll show you the zoom. I had to zoom full distance, but I got it, so that was cool. So I got a kingfisher, motherfucking kingfisher, American coot, and a blue-winged teal. So far, good morning. See what else we can get this good day. Peace. Finally got one. Actually, I think that might be a wood duck. Still some awesome color in there. Let me show you how far I can zoom. Get closer. And go further. Go further. And further. Okay. This is right at me. Let's go. In. It's 50. It's 52. And then it's going ultras now. You know what are the worst? the warblers. Trying to get a warbler, but there's one I've seen some ladies I've run into here before. They said there's a sedge hedge or something like that. That is a super rare. That's over here, and it's like a little wren, so it's really hard to get, but it likes to stay in the low shrubs. So I might find a minute and see, but it's been a good morning here. I've had some good. I finally got my blue-winged teal, so that's all that matters. That's all that matters to me. I got that, so I'm gonna keep this one short and easy. If I catch anything else, I'll throw it on here. But if not, it's probably it. Go ahead and just end it wide on my head. Anyway, hope you like this one. Got some good stuff to show you. See you on the next one. Peace. Alright, I thought I was done, but no. I walked down this road, got to a spot, and seen a whole bunch of magnolia warblers flying around. And I actually got a video of one. Hopefully it shows up good, because those little suckers, they're hard to get. Especially right now, because of their yellow and gray, they blend into the leaves like crazy. But it was still pretty cool. So, okay, that was it. Now I am going to finish this off with that. I'll show you that right here. And then I'll see you on the next adventure, alright? Peace.